is what we train for in the Defence Forces. It's the pinnacle of our career, and yeah, I'm really looking forward to it. Captain Bláthnaid de Gaillí. I'm from Thomastown in Kilkenny, and I'm here today as part of the form-up for the 128 Infantry Battalion to go overseas and serve in Lebanon. So what got me into this? So I actually went on work experience in transition year to the St. Stephen's Barracks in Kilkenny, and I really enjoyed the week's work experience in there, and a little seed was sown that this could be something that I'd like to do. And come sixth year I applied for the cadetship and thankfully got accepted, and I haven't looked back since. My family are a little bit nervous for me and for my colleagues, but at the same time they're very proud of me, and they know that this is something that I want to do and that I've been looking to do since I joined the army, and that this is what I'm trained to do.